Time to start writing. Today we are jumping into our writing and going back to From Seed to Plant with our good friend Gail Gibbons to make a word bank of words that signal time order. Now we've talked about time order a little bit in reading. Time order, also known as chronological order, I'm trying to do a clock hand, but it shows if something's changing. Also, transitional words, things like that. First, next, then. So as we go through the book, you might want to go through or re-listen to my copy of it and see if there are any examples of words that signal time order and add it to your word bank. I'm going to add some to mine, and while I do mine, you should do yours. Let's compare lists at the end. Ready? Let's go. Alright, now that I have my list, I feel like I might be missing some. I want to see what words you came up with that I might have missed, but let's review. So when I was reading through, these words popped out to me as words signaling that something was changing or time was happening. So I have before, often, beginning, later, first, then, and finally. I know there's some more in there, and I bet you smart writers will find them all. Alright, good luck. I can't wait to see your full word bank. Oh, and that reminds me, once you have a full word bank, I want you to go through, and at the bottom of your page, it's going to be these lines at the bottom, write 2 sentences using these words. Let's see. 2 sentences using time order. Comment below if you've thought of some good sentences with time order. Alright, see you next time. I'm pretty sure there's a bird trying to get